In Pan's world of nature, there are qualities in animals that are really not in humans so much. We have them, but we don't develop them. Things like focus. We don't focus too well, we're very scattered. Things like clarity. There's no animal wondering if it should have dyed its hair a slightly different colour, or if the thoughts are not really conducive to its well-being. There's always clarity in nature, and with that goes the certainty. And we are the most doubting creatures probably on the planet. Self-doubt, people are full of it. And so focus, clarity and certainty are qualities that we need to develop to move deeper into Pan's world of nature. There's no open door saying come in, no escalator to carry you. We have to move our way into it by acquiring new skills. So if you'd like to know more about this, join me on the weekend of September the 10th and 11th. That will be the mornings and Brisbane time, Australia. And please join me where we can explore and deepen our relationship with nature. Thank you.